That's why you won, Val.
Okay.
Yep.
So, that's good practice, guys. One more time. It's on me for not saying. Thank you.
What FX gun is that?
Revolution.
Revolution.
Shooters, are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. Engage. All right. Good shooting.
Thank you.
It's a micro movement. I'll get angry. And we're talking like...
Hit. 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 No stop.
So this is where all the vendors are at and all that good stuff. Firebird. The pellet shot, AEA. NF. Zen pellets. Yeah. You guys got some cool slugs, man.
Thanks.
No worries, brother. We got some guy eating right here. Look at him. Look, he's enjoying that sandwich. Look at him. What you eating? Let's be nosy, y'all. What's he eating? Ooh, it looks good, man. It looks good. You're gonna make my audience hungry.
Blue cheeseburger.
Ooh.
Oh, it's good, dude.
Great choice. They got some pretty cool products, y'all. Let's take a look at the slugs. Are you shooting as good as you look, bro?
Always, baby.
Always? Always? The jacket look good, man. The jacket look good, brother.
It's awesome, man.
It is, it is.
Delicato.
Heck yeah, man. Well, we're rooting for you, man. The gun looks good, man. You look like you in a good mood, man. So that's definitely gonna be some good shooting.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
No worries, brother. Oh, my best friend right here. Ooh-wee. How you doing today, sweetheart? You doing good?
Absolutely.
Where's the husband at?
Right behind.
All right, here he is.
We did that.
What's going on, man?
All right, man.
It's my buddy right here, man. Heck yeah. Y'all shooting good today?
Pardon me?
Y'all shooting good today?
Yeah, man. I don't know. My wife took the bench.
She killed it at EBR, so.
I know. That's why I gave her the bench.
Y'all gonna make another bet again?
No, we don't bet.
No?
I'm tired of losing.
You finally learned your lesson, huh?
Yes.
Ziggy went to the edge.
Got Ton over here.
So,
Okay, rocking the Donnie FL. Looking good, man. It's looking good. How you shooting today, man?
Good. I'm shooting 22.
it's centered.
Let's look for the PRS.
Okay.
Ready for the problem.
Heck yeah, man. Well, it's looking good, man. Your setup looks good, bro.
Thank you. Thank you.
Much luck to you.
What was that? That one there?
The red one?
Yeah, what was that?
That is a hell of a gun right there, buddy.
Thanks.
What kind of gun is it?
Calling you one.
That looks cool.
308 Fusion Office.
Oh, man, that looks cool.
Okay, how much is that?
260. What dope you want?